Hi everyone, greetings here, greetings from wherever you're watching me from. I am TUTOTIALS. I'm going to bring you another style. Today we are going to cut a straight gown with some attractions. My main fabric is lace. So lace has two interfaces. It has the bridal satin or crepe or whatever you choose to underline it with, and your lining. I am going to draft on my satin before taking it to my lining and my fabric. If you find my channel so informative, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post my videos. I folded my cloth into two will give us a full front. So here is my waist. I'm going to measure my hip line. My hip line is 9, but due to allowance I'm going to do 9.5. Then my knee length is 19.5. Due to allowance I'm going to do 20. Then my full length is going to be 44. I'm going to draw a straight line to the measurement I just took. We have waist 37. 37 divided by 4 is 9.25. 9.25 here. Then plus 2 inches sewing allowance. Then my hip is 46. 46 divided by 4 is 11.5. This is my 11.5 here, plus 2 inches allowance, sewing allowance. Then my nail, 11.5 minus 1.5. I'm going to get 10 inches. So this is my 10 inches here, plus 2 inches allowance. So I'm going to take it straight down to the full length. So here I'm going to connect the hip line from here to there, and this one I'm going to connect from here to there too. Then I'm going to take a straight line to the full length. If you want, you can measure what you have here, which is 12.25, and take it to this point, 12.25. Then if you want to make it more narrower, so it can pencil very well, you can still do that depending on what your customer wants. But me, I took it straight down from the measurement of the nail. I took it straight down. This is my front. So guys, I have based another cloth which is going to be my back this time around. So we've cut the front already, so this is another basement of which I'm going to get my back from. So placing the front against the back here, all measurement remains the same, but the only thing is that it is going to have a zipper allowance. This is the down part of the gown. So we are done with this. We are going to place the fabric against this satin or doll face, but before we place the fabric on it, we are going to cut the lining, the exact measurement. Hi guys, so this is the upper part of this gown. I've already done my pattern. It's a sweetheart neck. Here it is. This is the back with illusion. So the completion is going to be an illusion, both front and the back. Hello guys,
Here is my upper part of the gown, the bustier part. So I'm going to join the bar, then go over to the down part, couple it. Let's see what it looks like.